Hi, good afternoon, everybody. This is going to be our daily agenda for Thursday, March 22nd. So for today, we are looking at our digital portfolios. We are starting them, ladies and gentlemen. So we are creating digital portfolios that we are going to be working together to really start creating a sample. Last week, we looked at our assignments, what we've done this year. So today, we're going to really be breaking them down. Located in your Google Classroom, we do have these digital portfolios up that you guys can see. These are going to be the assignments that go in your digital portfolios. This is what your 30-day challenge. This is what your digital portfolios look like. They have obviously your 30-day challenge, your Google Slides challenge, all of these activities that you have worked on throughout the year. So we are going together learn how to finish these, but just to let you guys know here and now, this is the questions. All three of these must be answered in 2 to 3 sentences. Okay, you have to include a screenshot here. To take a screenshot on your Chromebook, hold the Control and Show Windows key at the top. That will take a screenshot. Then simply hit Insert at the top here. I will move this so you can see it. Insert. And then you will insert the image from either your computer or your drive if you have it there. If you need to insert a hyperlink, which you all do, you will take the hyperlink from any assignment. Let's say this is the hyperlink for your 30-day writing challenge. You will go down and you will copy the link. Once you have that link copied, you will simply go over to Insert, Link, and if you see right here, this is where you paste the link. Control V, there's your link. From here in your text is where you will write 30-day writing challenge. You will then hit Apply. And there is your link, and it'll take you straight to your example, okay? We will learn about this more today, and then your screenshot. Here are further directions on how to do that. There's step 1, step 2, and step 3 to make sure you have all of these done. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to me, Ms. Arroyo, and we'll see what we can do to help y'all out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.